Want to start your MLM business with a simple plan? The Unilevel MLM Plan might be your perfect match. In the Unilevel Plan, everyone you recruit goes directly under you, on the same level. There's no width limit, and usually, commissions are paid up to a certain depth. Advantages: easy to understand. Direct referral freedom. Transparent commission system. Disadvantages: slower growth if your team isn't strong. Heavy reliance on personal recruitment. Get a free plan audit at Finoforce.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more MLM growth tips. Thanks for watching.